playing sort of next week and playing a final is a goal of ours. But unfortunately, last 2 weeks, we just didn't win those critical moments. We weren't accurate enough, and we came up against a good side who were experienced and won those key moments. So I think the team, the players will learn a lot from this experience and around playoff footy and what it takes to win these games. Certainly it'll set the team up as a young team. Majority of the group will return in next year, and I'm sure they'll will be bigger and better for the experience. I think the people, the friendships that I've made here. The thing about rugby is it brings people together from all different cultures and has a unique way of connecting people, and I think certainly be taking friendships and a family home with me from Italy. So it's tough to leave, tough to leave the group, but certainly we'll take a lot of fond memories from the year. Yeah, that's important. It's really proud of what we were able to achieve as a group and the style of rugby that we were able to play out throughout the year and get ourselves a chance for a final and promotion to elite. But so I think reflecting on that, I think the group's got to remember that and reflect on that, what we've learnt together and the positive stuff that we have achieved this year, and it has been a good year.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you.